We're adding a new segment library that allows you to conveniently save your segments. This centralized library makes it easy for you to reuse segments and update conditions based on your business needs throughout ActiveCampaign. You can easily access the saved segments library in advanced contact searches, automations, and campaigns, giving you the flexibility to organize, manage, and reuse your segments throughout the platform. Streamlined reusability is a key component in leveling up your segmentation efforts. You can now conveniently select segments with proven success rates from the segments library. For example, in campaign reporting, you might identify the segments used for your most engaged campaigns and then target that same segment in the automation builder to expand upon your targeted marketing initiatives. Let's explore where in the platform you can leverage this intuitive segment library to streamline your workflow and maximize your marketing effectiveness. To start, we'll look at how these updates have enhanced the campaign's workflow. As you can see, the first step in defining the audience of your campaign is to select the list or lists you'll be sending to. Then, in the second dropdown, choose to send to all active subscribers of the selected list, send to a saved segment, or if you want to send to an existing list segment, you can also find them under legacy list segments. You can also send to contacts with a specific tag. Lastly, you can create custom conditions for one-off campaign sends or create a new saved segment from this dropdown. By selecting Send Using Custom Conditions, you can define the conditions you want to apply to the campaign recipients. You'll notice it is here you can access your saved segments. Click on the dropdown to view your saved segments library. From here, you can preview conditions or apply them to your search. If you create conditions and then apply a saved segment, those additional conditions will appear at the bottom of the condition group. And make sure to review the segment to ensure it's set to target the right conditions, as the and or logic will also change so your conditions remain valid. Once finished, if you want to save the conditions constructed here as a new segment, you can do so from the bottom left corner. Now let's move on to automations. The segments library will be available when configuring your start trigger and in the wait, if else, and goal action blocks. The functionality is similar for each. You can drop into the library and preview or copy conditions to the trigger or actions. Within the automation builder, if you apply conditions from a saved segment, you can edit, build upon it if necessary, and then save. It's important to understand also that this feature only copies the conditions to streamline your workflow and enhance that reusability. This means that if you otherwise change the conditions of the saved segment outside of the automation builder, those changes will not reflect in the automation block. Lastly, you'll find the saved segments library under advanced search. You can head to contacts in the main navigation, click on the search bar, and then select advanced search. Here, you can run a refined search of your contacts. If you'd like to review your current segments or easily apply existing conditions from a saved segment to a search, click the dropdown to view your saved segments library. The new Saved Segments library in ActiveCampaign streamlines managing and organizing targeted audience segments and makes it easier to apply consistent conditions across multiple tools in the platform. The segment library enhances efficiency and ensures that your marketing efforts remain precise and effective, leading to more personalized and impactful customer interactions.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.